Hi, this is just a short invitation for you to join Tracy and I on our workshop in a couple of days. And if you can't come, the good news is we have decided to make the recording available. Reach out and you can purchase the recording beforehand because we would like to include you in the email and include you in the field that we're creating. And we will be touching on one of my favorite topics, which is the matriarch, the woman post menopause. So we're inviting you, if you are of perimenopause age, menopause, cross the threshold, and beyond. And we will explore in this time how this archetype lands differently for different women of different ages and different stages of life. And also how modernity has sucked the life force out of us, and so there is some effort to be made to really land this archetype and harness the dormant capacities. Look forward to seeing you or to receiving your email and being in touch with you. Hope to see you there. Bye.